Alright, so last few times I've started this truck up, it seems like the batteries are weak. I got some Walmart never starts in here, and of course they're just out of warranty. So let's see. It's been sitting about a week. Let's see how it starts. Yeah, that ain't gonna do it. Oh, time for some new batteries. Okay, got the old never starts out, and I had bought those February of 19. So I looked at my receipt and they were like 3 years and 10 days old. And then I noticed on the old batteries it had a 3-year free replacement and then 5-year prorated warranty. So I took them back to Walmart and they got to do their testing and whatever. And they gave me a call and said they tested bad, so come pick up my new ones. So I was kind of expecting to pay a little bit because they were just out of warranty, but I got these for absolutely nothing out of my pocket, so that was good. But I noticed these ones are not, they must have dropped the 5-year warranty on these now, so they just have the 3-year. And these are the 800 cold cranking amps, group 78. So apparently this N stands for north, so I'm in a northern state, so apparently there's an S for southern states. And it's going in this 2007 2500 HD Classic with the LBZ. So one thing you want to be careful of is this positive terminal not arcing out on this AC line here, because you'll get a spark show if that happens. You know, if the other battery on the other side is hooked up and this one's not hooked up yet, so just be careful of that. It's just an 8mm wrench for these bolts here for the battery terminals. So yeah, I was pretty happy you got these batteries for nothing, or they warrantied them. That was pretty nice. So we'll get these in and see if she fires. Alright, got both batteries in. Let's see if it starts. Alright, let's see how it goes.